Here we will write a Python program to accept a number and print it in reverse order. So in comment line we will write. So first we will accept the number. So int input enter number. Then we will define another number rnum which is initialized with 0, and we will use while loop. So while num not equal to 0. First we will separate out the digit. So digit equal to num mod 10, and we will add this digit to rnum. So rnum equal to rnum into 10 plus digit. Then we will remove this digit from the number. For this we will use floor division. So num equal to num divided by 10. And then we will print this reverse number. For this we will use formatting output. So f reverse number is rnum. Then we will execute this. I will enter the number. It will print reverse number is 4321. We can use slicing to reverse the number. So we will store this number into another number. So n equal to num, and we will print reverse numbers using slicing. So print reverse number using slicing method. For this, first we will convert n to string, and we will use slicing with 2 colons which specifies start and stop, and step is -1. Here we will print reverse number of n is num. Then we will again execute this. I will enter 1 2 3 4. It will print reverse number of 1 2 3 4 is 4321, and reverse numbers using slicing method is also 4321.